Hi, let's look into the account. Whilst on the project listing page, click on the corresponding button. Each user has an account. You can invite another user to your account and you can be added to another user's account. As you can see, you have a listing of the users connected to your account. This is a feature of the full plan. To add a user to your account, you have to insert his or her email and then click on Add User. That person will receive an email with an invitation. Once that invitation has been accepted, the user will have an active status. But until then, the status will be pending. What is the use of adding a user to your account? By adding users, you can later add them to your projects. If you have 2 projects and 2 users connected to your account, you can connect each user to a different project. By doing so, you will only be sharing the information that you have on each project with each user. And that is it for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.